guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jen. Welcome if you're new, and today I'm so excited to be participating in the 2018 DIY and Decor Challenge with Christina. My second time participating in the collaboration, and I am so excited because I created something that I've been dying to make, that I've seen 100 times on Pinterest, and I'm so excited to finally have made it. And if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe, to join the channel. We are growing so fast and I'm so excited. And leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, tell me if you've made one of these and if you've seen it on Pinterest. We know what Pinterest can do to us. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Christina, thank you so much for hosting this collaboration. I will link the playlist down in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
This time last year I was on my own, just me and a plastic Christmas tree all alone. But this year will be different in so many ways. Now that I've found someone, well, who to spend my days. Now I know what Just me and a plastic Christmas tree. Oh,